Want to make short videos like this? Well, watch this. Just go to paperanimation.ai, type in the word you want, choose your style, and hit generate. Wait a few seconds, and that's it. You might notice a tiny watermark on the generated video. You can simply crop the video to remove it. Or, if you want a cleaner result, you can check out this video to see how to remove it properly. And the best part? You can customize the video however you want. Change the size, adjust the framing, change the composition, and make it fit perfectly into your own video. But that's not all. The website also gives you multiple styles to experiment with for free. For example, the magazine style can create some seriously impressive results. So, if you're looking for a quick way to create unique short-form visuals, this is definitely worth trying. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe for more AI tools, workflows, and creative tutorials.